Hello everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel Homeland Cooking. Today we are going to see how to make caramel bread pudding. This is a really good and delicious recipe. My mom used to make it really often and I liked it a lot. So I am doing this recipe so that I can let you guys know about this and you can enjoy it too. So let's get into the recipe. The first step is to caramelize the sugar. For that, in a pan we'll add 1/4 cup sugar. So we have to keep this on medium flame until it melts. So it became dark brown in color. Now we have to immediately pour this into a baking mold. So now we've poured the caramelized sugar into the baking tray. Now next step, I've taken 6 slices of bread. Now let's start cutting the edges of the bread. Now I'm done cutting these bread slices into squares. Now we'll put it in a mixer grinder and let's grind all of these. So I've grinded the pieces of bread. Now it's breadcrumbs. So let's get into the next step. So now I've taken 4 tablespoons of custard powder and half cup of water. Now I'm going to mix this half cup of water to this 4 tablespoons of custard powder. Now let's give it a well mix. After pouring the water, we should mix it immediately or else the custard powder will stick to the bottom of the cup. Now the custard powder and water mixture is ready. Now in the next step, I've taken a pan and in this we'll add 1.5 cup milk. And next we'll add half cup sugar. We have to cook this at medium flame. Now the milk started boiling. After this we have to add the custard powder mixture. So keep mixing for some time, because if you start mixing it will become solid and it will stick to the vessel. So keep mixing until it thickens a little bit. Okay, after boiling you better keep the stove on low flame before adding the custard powder. As you can see, it's becoming thick. So now it's thick enough. Now we'll gradually add the breadcrumbs and mix it. So I've added all the breadcrumbs and the mixture looks like this now. Now we have to add this mixture into the pan that we poured the caramelized sugar in. So let's pour this mixture into the pan now. Now let's tap this to remove any air bubbles. And now let's even the top. So now next we'll cover the baking tray and next we have to bake it on the stove. So I've poured some water into a pan and placed the stand on it. Now the water is hot, so I'm going to place the baking tray in it. Now I've placed the baking tray into the vessel. Now I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. So after 20 minutes we can open it and check it with a toothpick or anything like a stick. Then if it didn't cook, we can close it and keep it for another 5 minutes. So it took me 30 minutes for the pudding to bake. After that I left it like that on the platform till it came to room temperature. After that I kept it in the fridge for 1 hour. Now after that it feels like a jelly texture. Now let's transfer the pudding to the plate. I'm going to flip it over. Now I'm going to lift it. See, our delicious caramel bread pudding is ready. It looks so good and tasty. So please try this recipe and tell how it comes in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my mom's channel, Homeland Cooking. Bye.